The new sound. Why AI is changing music forever. For years, the music industry has controlled the airwaves. Big labels told us what to listen to, what's hot and what sells. If your sound didn't fit their formula, your music stayed in your notebook, your voice stayed in your head, and your message never reached the world. But that era is ending. Right now, a quiet revolution is happening. The gatekeepers are losing their grip, and you are getting the power to make the music you want to hear. Music that speaks to your soul, music that reflects your values, music that tells your story. And it's all thanks to a new creative partner, AI. And it used to be that if you wanted to create a song, you needed access to money, to studios, to producers, to engineers. It was expensive, it was complicated. It was designed to keep most people out. But with tools like ChatGPT and Suno, the studio has come home to your laptop, tablet, or phone now. You can write, compose, and generate professional quality music using just your imagination and keyboard. You don't need 100,000 setup. You don't need to be a trained musician. You don't even need anyone's permission. You just need creativity. It's bigger than music, it's a movement. This isn't just about writing songs with a robot. It's about reclaiming control over what we hear and create. It's about the kid writing lyrics in his notebook, dreaming of being heard. The woman tired of being told that her music is too deep or not commercial enough. The person who turns on the radio and hears nothing that reflects their world. It's about choosing peace over pain, soul over noise, and truth over trend. With these tools you can create a heart-filled love song that doesn't sound like a checklist. A raw verse about your struggle without glorifying pain. A gospel track that uplifts, a spoken word piece that heals, or a party anthem that still respects your spirit. And it doesn't have to sound like a demo. It can sound like it came straight from $1 million studio. Meet your creative team, ChatGPT and Suno. Let's break down what these tools do and how they work for you. One, ChatGPT, your lyricist, co-writer, and brainstorming partner. You could talk to ChatGPT like a friend. All it needs is a good idea and a little direction. Example prompt: write a rap song about growing up in a small town but dreaming big. In the style of J. Cole, make it personal and emotional. From that, you'll get a full draft, verses, a hook, and a flow that sounds familiar but personal. You can then tweak it in real time, make the hook more catchy. Add a verse about my mom working 2 jobs. Use a slower tempo and more storytelling. It's not a one and done tool, it's conversational, meaning you can keep shaping the song until it feels right. 2, Suno, your beat maker and audio engineer. Once you've written your song, you want a sound to match. You can ask ChatGPT to describe the kind of beat you want, then plug that into Suno to generate a full instrumental. Example beat description: a soulful 90 BPM beat with piano chords, soft drums, and vocal samples. Something like early Kanye or Common. Drop that into Suno and it generates a beat in seconds, custom, original, yours. You don't need to know music theory. You don't need to mix or master. Suno takes care of all that, letting you stay focused on the art, from idea to song. Let's walk through a real scenario. Lisa is a nurse who loves neo-soul but hates the negativity in most mainstream music. One night, she tells ChatGPT like a muse: write me a song about self-love and healing, like something Erykah Badu might sing. ChatGPT gives her a full set of lyrics. She tweaks a few lines to reflect her own journey. Then she asks it, describe a beat that matches these lyrics, something mellow and jazzy. ChatGPT provides a beat description. Lisa plugs that into Suno minutes later. She's listening to her own custom track. She doesn't just have a song, she has her song. That's how fast and personal this process can be. A note on expectations. Now let's keep it real, AI isn't perfect. Sometimes ChatGPT might miss your tone. Sometimes Suno might generate a beat that doesn't quite hit. But that's okay, cause this is collaboration, not automation. You're still the artist, you got the vision. And just like working with any creative partner, it takes back and forth to get it right. That's why critiquing your AI generated content is so important. And we'll go deep into that in chapter 14. What to expect from this book. This guide will walk you through the full journey, step by step. How to prompt ChatGPT out like a songwriter. How to create lyrics, hooks, verses, and bridges. How to generate beat descriptions and full instrumentals using Suno. how to revise, critique, and improve your tracks, how to create spoken word, cover art, and even full projects.